We didn't think AI image generation could get so good this fast, let alone video. Hundreds of photorealistic frames put together that mimic real-world movement and physics and maintain continuity throughout. We just can't tell what's real anymore. AI-powered media manipulation poses a serious threat to individuals, governments, and businesses. For businesses, bad actors can impersonate executives and employees with deepfakes, even in real time, or negatively misrepresent your brand on social media with fake videos. They could gain access to critical systems and IP, trick employees with imposter scams, or leak data. There are so many ways your businesses can be targeted with generative AI video, and the consequences could be severe. So how do we know if what we see on the internet is real or fake? First, we can scrutinize the images and videos we see. We call this the truth model. Is what I'm seeing true? There are forensic methods you can use to detect Gen AI manipulation. Experts and AI models can dissect the geometry, physics, enlarge noise patterns. Some platforms even embed imperceptible watermarks in the videos, like Google's SynthID that has an invisible watermark if it was created by Gemini. These are all important parts of the solution. However, the truth is they can't be the solution. It's still an arms race between those trying to mislead and those trying to detect. We can't keep up with the rapidly evolving models, and just because AI was involved, it doesn't mean it was fake or illegitimate. Many businesses are utilizing AI to streamline video production, using tools like AI avatars. And in practice, how can we deal with the sheer volume of video? We're being barraged with content online every day. You just can't verify each and every image or video. The problem is we're asking the wrong question. It shouldn't be, is this real or true? Rather, who can I trust? The trust model is the solution to this problem. If you can tell with certainty that Vbrick's content is actually from Vbrick, you can now trust the content. The key is fundamentally verifying the source of the content, not scrutinizing the visuals. Imagine you could publicly whitelist your content and have full verifiable ownership and control of it. For businesses, whether it be a news organization posting footage from a developing story, an automotive company posting a recall notice, or a pharmaceutical company issuing a safety update, they're concerned about the information being manipulated. What if they could say, without doubt, this content is actually from us and have full control of it? Remove it, update it. They own their content. This ideal would be revolutionary, but what would it look like in practice? There are a few must-haves for a solution that would fulfill this vision. First, it must operate on a public blockchain, a transparent, decentralized digital ledger open for anyone to view transactions and participate in validation. This is the only way we can ensure verification is immutable and transparent. Next, it must be an open standard that can be used by any media delivery site and promote widespread adoption. It must also use industry standard content credentials, an open technical standard developed by C2PA that allows creators and consumers to establish the origin and edits of digital content. Vbrick is the first enterprise video platform that can generate C2PA compliant content credentials. And finally, the cost of the transaction needs to be negligible so that everyone can verify their content, from corporations to individual creators. At Vbrick, this is exactly what we're developing in an initiative called Verified Authentic. Built on a public blockchain platform and based on trusted C2PA standards, Verified Authentic creates a tamper-proof ledger of who created a piece of content, as well as when and how it's been edited. If the content credentials don't match the blockchain record, it's flagged. No guesswork required. It makes verifying the authenticity of the content simple and transparent, bringing trust back to the digital media. We're committed to adhering to C2PA standards as they evolve, build new capabilities where we see gaps, and make Verified Authentic open and available. With Verified Authentic, content creators, businesses, and governments will be able to protect themselves against manipulation, impersonation, and disinformation. In a world of synthetic media, authenticity becomes your most valuable asset.